Welcome to Sixth Tone in Cantonese 3. Don't know how to speak Cantonese? You may be surprised to learn that you can sing it out. Let's explore the relationship between music and the language. Hello, I'm Hong. I'm a master of teaching Chinese as a foreign language. In this video, I will demonstrate the 6 tones and teach the pronunciation of tone 3. There are 3 fixed tones, 2 rising tones, and 1 dropping tones in Cantonese. The green arrow represents tone 3, which we will discuss. But first, listen to the differences among the 6 tones in 4 examples. C, 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 C. Y, 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 Y. Fun, 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 fun. Way, 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 way. Tone 3 is the middle flat pitch. You can imagine that is a Mi in the solfeggio scale. Do, re, mi, mi. And yes, just like music, pitch is a ratio. A higher Mi is correct, and a lower Mi is also correct. Now, it's your turn. Practice one more time. Good. Let's listen more tone 3 vocabulary. 貴姓細個再見興趣世界變化半價個案報告貢獻芥菜性格季節 Somewhere of 格節 They are track tone. We will discuss it in a later video. And now, listen and guess which is tone 3. A. Fu, fu. B. Fu, fu. C. Fu, fu. D. Fu, fu. And 3, 2, 1. The answer is D. A is tone 6. Fu, fu. B is tone 2. Fu, fu. C is tone 1. Fu, fu. And D is tone 3. Fu, fu. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. If you want me to check your tone pronunciation, you can send me your voice message on Threads or Instagram. Cantonese with Hong. I'm Hong. If you find this video useful, please like, share, and comment. It motivates me to create new videos. If you want to learn more about Cantonese, subscribe for more Cantonese knowledge, poetry, and Hong Kong culture. See you in the next video. Thank you and bye bye.